Hey guys, this is Zaman and welcome back to another new tutorial of PowerPoint School. Our today's tutorial is about this kinetic typography animation. This is the fourth part of this series of tutorial, and in our previous tutorial I've showed how to make this one. So if you haven't watched that tutorial yet, make sure you check it now. So without wasting any further time, let's start the tutorial. At first, pick a text box, drag it over here, add some text. Selecting all the text, change the font to Cen MT, increase the font size, make it bold, center, change the font color to white. Pick a rectangle shape, drag it over this text box. Go to format, from shape fill, change its color. From shape outline, select no outline. Then right click on it and send it to back. Here you need to make sure that the text box is in the middle of the rectangle. Now select these two, press Ctrl G to group. Bring it to here in the middle. Again we need to pick another text box, drag it over here, add some text, then select all the text, change the font to Cen MT, increase the font size, make it bold, center, change the font color to white. Pick a rectangle again, drag it over this text box. Go to format, from shape fill, change its color. From shape outline, select no outline. Then right click on it and send it to back. Here you also need to make sure that this text box is in the middle of the rectangle. Then select this two, press Ctrl G to group and bring it to here. After that, from here you just need to select only the text box, make a copy of it, change the text. Selecting this text, increase the font size, increase the size of this text box, place it over here. Make another copy of this text box, go to format, from rotate, select rotate left 90 degree, bring it to here, change the text. Selecting this text, decrease the font size, bring it to here. Now before adding the animation we have to do something more. Pick a rectangle, drag it over here to cover this left side area. Go to format, from shape fill, change its color so that it matches with the background. From shape outline, select no outline. Holding the Ctrl Shift from your keyboard, drag it to this side to cover this right side portion. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, resize it, place it over here, cover this upper portion. Holding Ctrl Shift, drag it to the down and resize it a bit. So we are done with covering all the entrance area, and now select this text box, right click on it, send it to back. After that we can go for the animation. So go to animation, click on animation pane to look over our animation status. To animate this group of element, go to add animation, select fly in. From effect option, select from right, keep this on click, duration 0.75 seconds, click on this drop down arrow. Go to effect option, increase the smooth end and press OK. So now I will use the animation painter tool to copy and paste the animation. Here click on animation painter to copy and paste it here. Then from effect option, change the direction from top, set start after previous, and again copy, paste it here. From effect option, make sure it is selected from top and it will be start after previous. Do the same for the last one, copy and paste. From effect option, select from right, and now we have to add the exit animation. So at first select this one, from exit here select this fly out animation. From effect option, select to left, set start after previous, duration 0.75 seconds, delay 0.25 seconds. Click on this drop down arrow. From effect option, increase the smooth start and press OK. Here we need to do the same for this second one. From add animation, select fly out. From effect option, select to top, set start with previous, duration 0.75 seconds. Click on this drop down arrow. From effect option, increase the smooth start and press OK. Select the third one. From add animation, do the same, select fly out. From effect option, select to bottom, set start with previous, duration 0.75 seconds. Click on this drop down arrow. From effect option, increase the smooth start, press OK. After that, select the last one. From add animation, do the same, select fly out again. From effect option, select to right, set start with previous duration 0.75 seconds, click on this drop down arrow. From effect option, increase the smooth start and press OK. Here our animation is ready. Now if you start the slideshow, you can see that our whole animation is working perfectly. So this was the fourth part of our kinetic typography animation series, and in our next tutorial I'll show how to make this 2 slide in one tutorial. So keep your eyes on our channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get a notification when we upload a new video. That's all for today. Hope to see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.